So hey guys, welcome to Traders Endgame. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most profitable scalping strategy using the Larian concept for scalping. So this strategy, however, is being proven to be a profitable strategy because, however, we are captivating on the intermittent swings, which you are going to get to know in this video. So how do we trade this strategy? However, imagine this is a 30-minute candlestick. However, before you become a profitable trader, you have to understand that what kind of candlestick are you going to be trading. So in my case, in the case of this scenario, on the 1 minute time frame, you're going to be trading the 30 minutes candlestick. So everything you are going to be doing, the 1 minute time frame is going to be our 30 minutes candlestick, which you are going to be looking. So this is because we can be able to get our intermittent swings using the 30-minute candlestick so that we can know where we are going to enter in the market. So let me just give you an instance. Imagine this candlestick is being bullish. So you are looking for a way to buy in the market. However, price will be creating a short-term swings on the 1 minute time frame. So as price is creating short-term swings on the 1 minute time frame, this is going to be the bullish short-term swings on the 1 minute time frame. However, like you all got to notice that on the Larian concept, we have the intermittent swings and the short-term swings. These intermittent swings help us to enter on the deep trend so that we can target our previous swings high. So you understand what I'm saying. So however, this time frame on this 30-minute candlestick is very important because it's going to show us where we are going to enter from. Imagine you are trading a swings without having a candlestick that back up your trade. It's going to be very difficult for you to become a profitable trader. So that is the reason why I always advise traders to always choose what time frame they are going to be trading. Are you going to be trading on the daily candlestick, or are you going to be trading on the 4-hour candlestick or the 1-hour candlestick? So you got what I'm saying. So this strategy is very proven to be a profitable strategy. However, if you stay tuned, I will show you how you can be able to replicate it using my proven indicator, how to make it profitable. So let me quickly give you a detail how this strategy works. So let me quickly give you a detail. The way this strategy works is very simple. Are you getting what I'm saying? The way this strategy works is very simple. We are going to be looking for a way to buy on the intermittent swings. Remember, we have the short-term swings and we have the intermittent swings using the Larian concept. If you are going to be looking for a way to buy using the Larian concept, we are going to be buying from the intermittent swing. I will show you how you can be able to get these intermittent swings like a pro. Just stay tuned. So we are going to be looking for these short-term swings on the 1 minute, and once after that is done, we look for a trend to enter into our POI, which is our point of interest. So are you getting what I'm saying? So this is the proven place we buy. Call it order block using the ICT concept. However, you understand what I'm saying. So this is a place you are going to be looking on the 1 minute chart. So this is going to be on the 1 minute chart. So this is how you are going to be looking for this trade to buy from. So same thing for the short scenario. This is the proven strategy I'm sharing on this trading channel. If you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Traders Endgame, because at the end of this month I will be giving you a valuable strategy which you have never seen using the Larian concept strategy. So that is it. Let me continue. So before that, we already got into this point. You're going to be looking for a way to enter at this demand zone or order block. You understand? So it can be order block, it can be demand zone. So you understand what I'm saying? So the opposite is for the short scenario. So you got what I'm saying. So let me quickly show you how this works on our chart. So however, I'm not going to cherry pick this thing. I'm going to show you on the live chart. So this is just is going to be, today is May 19. I'm recording this video, so no, I'm going to show you on the live chart how you are going to be trading this strategy like a pro. So it's not what I'm not going to show you another strategy. It's going to be you on the live chart showing you what the strategy can do. So just imagine we are on our UTC. Okay, so on just look, let me show you before we get so where is our intermittent swings? Okay, here is our intermittent swings. So you got it. So let me quickly let me reduce the opacity. So this place is our intermittent swings. Look at what happened on the GBP USD today. What do you see? What do you notice? Price pull back into these intermittent swings. Why is it intermittent swings? Because it creates a short-term swings. How is it a intermittent swings? Intermittent swing is going to create a short-term swings like this. You understand what I'm saying? It's going to create a short-term swings pullback before breaking up. Are you getting what I'm saying? So this is called intermittent swings. Do you understand what I'm saying? Imagine price take out a bunch of short-term swings. It's an intermittent swings. However, you can say this is a liquidity, depends on your choice. You can say liquidity, but however, price pull back into these intermittent swings. What do you notice happened? Price quickly react at this point. What do? You enter at this point, enter at the candlestick, and you set your stop loss at this point. You can either use 2 arrow or 3 arrow. However, you will notice that you are trading, this trade is 7.9 pip, which is not what we want. So we normally want at least 5 pip since you are scalping. So I think this candlestick is it's worth it. What do? You target at least 2 arrow. So you are earning 10 pip. So you understand what I'm saying? That is how scalping is. You already make 10 pip from the market. What do you do again? Remember, this is an intermittent swings also. So our intermittent swings became bearish. So our intermittent swing. So if you notice, however, remember, this is a bullish trade. Look at what I'm saying. This was a bullish trade, which is BC up using the Larry concept. However, you could not be able to enter entry at this point. What happened? Price reverse and create our, you can also say TC, depends on, but let me just keep it TC bearish, since is what we are familiar with, trend change using the Larian concept. Okay, now where is our intermittent swings? If you say this is our intermittent swings, yes, you are right, you are correct, you are very correct. So we have to set our supply zone, looking for a whale to enter at this point. So looking for a way to enter. However, price could not be able to hit our intermittent swings. What do? You look for another intermittent swings. However, look at what happened. Price creates a short-term swings. Remember, it creates short-term swings to go up. So it break. What happened? You look for a supply zone at this point and to sell from. However, you could not be able to hit it. So remember, this is also it's also intermittent swings. Okay, it's also intermittent swings. So which is our BC down bearish. So remember, price pull back into this place. What happened? It take out these intermittent swings. So remember, this is a liquidity. What do? This is a liquidity. So you look for a way to enter at the engulfing, depends. Price take out this candlestick. What do? You set your stop loss at the candlestick eye, and you target at least is it not 2 arrow, 10 pip is okay. Your strategy is profitable, yes. So this is another what happened again. Remember, you are looking for intermittent swings to sell from. What do? We already have 2 profitable trade on our chart. So what do you do at this point? Again, remember this is an intermittent swings, so we can make this this is our BC bearish, BC down, this is BC down. So let's make everything clear. BC down. So what do? You enter at this point. What happened? It takes this our intermittent swings. What do you notice happened? Remember, price take at our intermittent swings. There was no engulfing candlestick. What happened? There was it entered into our previous intermittent swings, which is this, which is fine. You can be able to take this trade. Is very clear. However, so remember this is our supply zone at this point in the previous intermittent swings. What do? You look for engulfing candlestick to be formed at this point. However, you enter when price hits the supply zone. There was a bearish, and your stop loss should be at least 5 pip. Look at what happened. Imagine, people, you are not going to get trapped, so you enter, you just click on 2 arrow, you set your target to 2 arrow, 5 pip at the stop loss. So you also wait again. So do you see how this strategy is being profitable? This is just theory trade. I'm just giving you, I'm not showing you, I'm just showing you the way it is on the live chart, not clickbaiting like the way other YouTubers are doing. Look at this strategy, is very profitable, but most of them, they cannot be able to rectify it on their, they are going to get enough information before they shoot the video. So this video is this strategy is suitable strategy. So you see it on the live chart. The bullish example, we got the bullish example. So we also got a bearish example at this point. We look for, so we sell again, and we also sell. So imagine this is 30 pip. Are you getting me? If you can be able to risk this on your chart and trading prop firm, you are going to be a profitable trader, because however you are trading the intermittent swings. So let me quickly give you a bonus before I end this video. This video is getting longer. First of all, you have to look for the 30-minute candlestick. However, I didn't show you the 30-minute candlestick on this video. This is because I want to show you how you can be able to get your intermittent swings using the live chart without using the 30 minutes candlestick. So however, if we go on the 30-minute candlestick, so so let me just I'm not going to clickbait this. If you go on the 30-minute candlestick, what do you notice happened at this point? So so what do you notice happened at this point? You are going to see that price retrace into the 30-minute candlestick. So this is the proof. This is also the proof. This is also the proof. You understand what I'm saying? So that is how price is being offered at this market. So the proven way you are going to trade this strategy is to use what we call the 50 EMA strategy. The 50 EMA strategy can be used on the 1 minute time frame, just to make sure everything is being clarified, so that you are not going to get stuck. Where am I going to be looking? Where is the trend is going to be? So remember, you are trading the intermittent swings on the 1 minute time frame. You are not trading the short term swings. You are trading the deep trend on the 1 minute time frame. So if you look at other indicator in our chart, you will notice that this indicator are overbought. So they are overbought, means price is going to go down. Look at what happened. Overbought. What happened? Overbought. Overbought. So are you getting what I'm saying? So look at this oversold at this point. So imagine you are trading the intermittent swings on the 1 minute time frame, and you are targeting 2 arrow. Believe me, you are going to be profitable trader. So that is just it. You're going to be a profitable trader. So let me quickly show you the 50 EMA on our chart. Let me show you the 50 EMA in our chart. So this is the 50 EMA. So you're gonna remove the 200 EMA. Let me change the color for brief reference. Let me make it blue. I prefer blue because I love blue a lot. So do you see how it is? The intermittent swing form at the 50 EMA. You enter. Look at the intermittent swings form at the 50 EMA. You enter. So you enter at this point. So you understand what I'm saying. So sorry this video was very long. I didn't plan to make this video long, so you understand what I'm saying. So I make it more detailed for you guys. So imagine you are going to be trading the intermittent swings. Look at, you're going to be trading intermittent swings on the 50 EMA only. So you're not going to be trading it on the 200, the 100 EMA. No. So you understand what I'm saying. So this is a proven strategy. Look at how it being perfect. Look at what I'm saying. And the 50 EMA is portraying as a resistance when it's bearish. Imagine you're trading this kind of strategy. This strategy is going to make you profitable, believe me or not, if you follow it precisely. However, remember, when you are trading this kind of strategy, remember you are trading the 30-minute candlestick. So the 30-minute candlestick is what you are trading. You are not trading the 1 hour. So that is just it, guys. So if you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Traders Endgame. I will see you in my next video. And my next video is going to be crypto trading strategy. One of the most profitable crypto trading strategy you have ever come across in the trading industry, using the Larian's concept. I will see you in my next video. Happy trading. God bless.